OnPassive is in the calm before the massive storm that will release the beginning of what has been lurking behind security gates. Monday, January 29th will change the lives of hundreds of thousands of affiliates who have been waiting patiently to receive the compensation for the hard work to be given to them. Mr. Ash Mufareh said that this Monday OnPassive is set and will go. What will be gone is the heartaches and pain caused by pay processors who have been holding OnPassive believers in bondage. Mr. Ash Mufareh and his staff have caused these pay processors the heartaches and pain that they will have when they understand that there is always a cause and effect. The nerve of third-party processors trying to bring down a man who has built a mega giant, unicorn conglomerate of disruptive digital products, tracking to deluge the internet. Notice what Mr. Ash Mufareh said that caused untold joy for OnPassive affiliates and misery and pain for unbelievers and people who thought they could bring OnPassive down. 1. As of Monday, January 29th, we are set to start making our bulk payouts from the pending withdrawal requests. And we will make a small bulk batch and then increase it gradually till they are all paid out. Joy and pain. 2. Many of you have had access to OConnect since April, and as of Wednesday, January 31st, we will stop accepting payments for the first release of OConnect and a few days after crypto will end. 3. A few days later, the new release of OConnect will commence, and it will be called the commercial release of OConnect, and it will be at a new price. Wow, other video conferencing platforms, the commercial release of OConnect, joy and pain. 4. A few days after, we will announce the release of the next products in the lineup. 5. We are in Ready, Set, Go, talking about a deluge and more joy and pain. Joy for OnPassive affiliates and pain for those who thought they could make OnPassive shut down. Affiliates enjoy the calm, get ready for the storm.